Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my March Boxycharm. This is exciting because it's my last regular Boxycharm box. Next month they will have merged with Ipsy. They are changing some of the details, which I am going to go over with you today. I have some of my makeup on my face. I did cheat and look in there to see if there was any makeup that I could put on to test out for you, and there is. I, of course, will have everything on my face listed in the description box below. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching. Used to be that the base box you would get 5 full-sized items of either skincare, makeup, tools, and you did get to choose one of the items. With the new plan that is coming out, I'm looking online and it's saying that we're going to have power picks where you get to choose even more products. You're going to get to choose, I believe, 3 of them now. And what's nice is if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a subscription box. You get it every month. You start with the beauty quiz so that they typically know what you like and what you prefer, and they go from there. The drop shop will still be happening, which is one of the main reasons why I stay. I've gotten some of my most valued makeup and tools from the Boxycharm drop shop. They have brands that you've not heard of, brands that you have heard of, but all at a very deep discount, and you can order from there every single month. I believe the price is staying the same. It's about $27.99 a month, and of course I will have the link to Boxycharm listed in the description box if you would like to check it out. This video is not sponsored. I just enjoy Boxycharm. I like to unbox it with you, give my thoughts, let you know if there's anything of value. So when I open the box, there is a card. Last month they were announcing the change. I didn't love that because I didn't get the information about the products in my box. This month is better. I have a card, and on this card it has everything in the box listed, description about that product, and of course the price. So I am going to start with the non-makeup items. And the first one that I have here is I just found a cat in this office. Say hi, honey. Let me remove this cat. Back to business. The first item that I have here is this KOA Life Mist. It is a rejuvenating toner. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free, chemical-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. This go-to daily hydrating facial mist is anti-aging, prevents blemishes, and nourishes the skin with calming plant ingredients. Promotes blood flow and cellular regeneration, supports collagen fibers to correct and reduce the appearance of aging, and leaves your skin absolutely glowing. I do use a toner. I normally use the Thayer's toner, which is very inexpensive. It would have to be a magical toner to get me to switch up, but I will use this. Normally I use my makeup erasers, and it is a liquid. This one is a spray. See if there's a scent. I don't smell a scent, and it is a glass bottle. This looks very nice. The retail value on this KOA toner is $35, and this is a new brand to Boxy. The next item is this from Aceology. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Repairing Biodegradable Masks. This mega hydrating mask replenishes your skin and renews your complexion like a splash of water on a hot day. This has a retail of $59. You get 4 masks in this box. Stay tuned. We may have a giveaway coming. My oily skin, I don't usually use a hydrating mask like that. I will use a clay mask. I do things to help with the oil production in my face, not adding moisture. Now we can get into the makeup items. I do have a little bit of the Too Faced Lip Injection Plumper on my lips. Let me take that off because we have a lip product to play with. This is the Reina Rebelde Mordida Lip Stain, a whisper light moisturizing lip stain that delivers a sexy, just bitten lip flush of color enriched with hyaluronic acid, moisture to your lips, and a blend of botanical extracts. This formula leaves a long-lasting stain that won't feather, feel sticky, or make your lips feel parched. The lip stain has a demi-glaze finish that dries down and is beautifully buildable to achieve your desired color intensity. Retails for $16. I like the packaging. It actually kind of reminds me of the old KVD packaging. Oh, that's very pretty. So it's kind of a orangey brown kind of shade. I'm going to throw a little bit of my Morphe Sweet Tea lip liner on, and then we'll try it out. All right, lip liner is on. Let's go ahead and try out this lip stain. I love a good lip stain. No scent. It is on. I like it. I like the way it looks. I want to give it a second to set. I'm not going to put my lips together. I'm touching it on my hand. It feels lovely. It doesn't feel sticky to the touch. And look at that. That is not moving. I like that so far. The next item is a new mascara. I love a new mascara, and this one is from Makiage. This is the Icon Mascara for eyes to bat your way out of a parking ticket. This mascara weightlessly lifts, separates, curls, and thickens every lash for serious drama. Sounds lovely. Retail $27. This is a new brand to Boxy. I've always heard really good things about the Makiage foundation. It seems to be very hyped on social media. Please comment below. Have you tried the Makiage foundation? Do you love it? I know I have a friend that is a huge fan of their primer, and I almost bought it, but I just didn't take the leap. So let me know what your experience is with this brand, because it has my interest. The packaging is beautiful. I like the wand. That looks nice. And I am just going to, I did an all matte eye. It's funny, I always am a little bit nervous when I do an all matte eye because I don't want to get mascara on my lid. Seems to be applying easily. Let me go ahead and throw on a couple coats and I'll be right back. I am back, and I think it's a nice mascara. I really do. I took my time and went in with 2 or 3 coats, but it seemed to just glide through the lashes very nice. I liked the brush. It's building up, and in my experience, the longer you have a mascara, it sort of thickens up anyway, and it'll just get better with age. So 2 thumbs up on the mascara. Is it worth $27? I can't answer that. I truly love a lot of drugstore mascaras. However, we'll see how it wears. We'll see if it is just beautiful. There are a couple high-end mascaras that I absolutely adore. But what's also nice is, remember, Boxycharm has that drop shop, and oftentimes what you see in boxes are in there available to pick up. So I have gotten absolutely sucked in where I will love a product and then a month or 2 later it's in the drop shop at a super discounted price. I mean, this might be $12 in the drop shop, and then for sure I'd grab it again. That's how I got obsessed with the Blink tubing mascara. That's what really got me into tubing mascaras. I loved that Blink. So I went through a couple of tubes through the drop shop because I wasn't paying $26. I got it in a box, and then after that it was maybe $12. So that's really nice. If you fall in love, you get to enjoy the mascara in that respect. The lips are looking good. I do want to blot it and see what happens. It looks like my lip liner came off a little bit, but the lips still look good. I want to reapply it and get some of that shine back and see if it deepens in shade a bit. Last product in the box is right here, and this is the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' eyeshadow palette. With 4 mattes and 5 shimmers, this neutral eyeshadow palette will satisfy your cravings. Subtle shades for perfect day wear and deeper shadows to transition to night. It's hard pressed, so there's minimal fallout, which means colors stay on your skin, not your brush. Bonus is it's paraben free and vegan. It retails for $38. The outer packaging is exactly the same as the inner packaging. This is what the palette looks like. It is beautiful, and I've already owned it. I had this palette a while back. I used it. It got old. I decluttered it. I do recommend it. I'm gonna give to one of you. Let's just go crazy. I'm gonna have both of these in the giveaway, because I think there are a lot of people that would appreciate that hyaluronic face mask as well, more than me. So what do you need to do to get into my giveaway is be publicly subscribed to my YouTube, which just means if I click on your name, I should be able to see who you're subscribed to, and I should be able to see my name listed there. You'll also need to comment on this video, letting me know that you would like to be entered in the giveaway and a way to contact you, whether it's your Instagram or an email, and I can reach out to you when I do my giveaway. So on March 22nd, I will pull the winner. You have 48 hours to respond to my messages. I'll also pin a post to this video letting you know who won. Let's get into my thoughts on the box. I got a toner, I got a lip stain, there's also the hyaluronic face mask, the palette, and the mascara. Retail value of this box is $175. I think that is a lovely value for me paying less than $30. I will use the toner. This actually would be great for travel. I could reuse the bottle. I could probably open it and put a different product inside if I don't continue using this product. The lip stain is nice. My lips do not feel sticky at all, which I appreciate. This could easily be thrown in your purse. I like it. This is very nice that it did not apply patchy. I've had lip stains that suck the life out of my lips and will accentuate any dry area or any lines on your lips. That's not happening with this. Aceology, I'm not super familiar with the brand, but I believe that I've heard of it. I'm sure it is a lovely face mask. And Beauty Bakery, for sure. I've owned a few products from them. Last but not least, the mascara. These are probably the two winners in my book, so was that worth the money? Absolutely. And most of the time I am happy with my Boxycharm box, and I'm happy to do a giveaway for you all. I like to do that. I think that's fun. Everybody likes to win something, right? So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you hit the notification bell, you'll always be notified when I do upload. I love to try new makeup. I love to play with the makeup that I have. I declutter. I do all the things. Give the video a thumbs up. I look forward to speaking with you in the comments, and I hope you have a fabulous day.